Coming up in this episode, I point at stuff, I point at more stuff, do a really bad American accent, Oxford, and then get busy with the turkey baster.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. That is everything, right? So it's,
yeah, that's okay.
I don't have to come back.
Ticked it off to make sure. We'll check this. Make sure it's all there.
Thanks, guys.
That's right, just drop us an email.
Super.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, that's it. Stop one done. Now we're off to pick up. I'm going to keep it secret for now because you haven't seen this yet. This is hidden damage that I've found. I've needed to figure out how to fix it because to fix the part is about 600 quid and I am not paying that. So, off we go. No time for drinking today. Right, which way are we going on the A40? Left or right?
Right.
Oxford. Okay, so let's talk about some more problems that I have found. There is a reason that I have bought a new crash panel. That is not a crash panel for an M3. Excuse me, sniffing. And the reason that I've bought that is because, here we go, sorry. Headlight here has two mountings. 1, 2. I only have one mounting point, and the reason for that is because this plastic piece, it's all shrouded around, moulded onto the slam panel on the M3, where it had this accident in this corner here. This small section of plastic has been damaged, essentially. There's a small dent here. I'm not too worried about that. Superficial. However, the plastic piece which contains the second headlight mount, this one's metal, the other one's plastic, is missing. That's problematic because it's visible here, and if you could see this piece, this is the plastic piece here, it is missing. So a new slam panel for an M3 costs approximately £600 and it's a whole heap of work to fit. On eBay I managed to find this M Sport slam panel, which is, like I say, it's not the same. However, what is the same is this piece of plastic here. And so my intention today, first off, is to get this off and attach that onto our existing one. I've never done this before. I've never seen this done before. I've no idea if it's even possible. Fragile and irreparable in the event of an accident. What else are you going to do? In here, so basically they're moulded through this whole back piece on here, which is a pain, but I may be able to drill out that one there and that one there and that one there, and that might enable us to pull this section plus the front section off in order to glue it onto the other side. There it is, the piece that we need. So I think I'm just probably gonna just shave these down so they're flat, and then we'll use glue mainly, I think, in order to glue this back onto the end here. There you go, that is. Now we've got to glue it on and wait for the tiger seal to turn up. That'll probably be one of the last things I do today because I need to glue it and clamp it in order to have it fit. But essentially that's going to be it repaired. I'm pretty happy with that. It's not going to be the strongest thing in the world because it's only a secondary to the headlight. The main headlight fixing is here on the metal. I guess it's just positioning or guidance or whatever it may be. Man, this is all over the shop, right? Okay, let's just get it on for the minute and then we can line. It might have to come off, and you know, these are second-hand hinges, so you never know, do you?
Yeah. And also,
Nobody
no. Yeah, now straightforward it is, actually.
Yeah, all good.
Okay.
Right, just give me a sec, I'll put the bonnet lifters on. Drop down a bit, bub. Thank you. Right, I've got to put a clip on there.
Okay.
So, don't get excited. I do appreciate having all the little containers because it just means that I know where things are then.
Yeah.
Right, so the easiest way, you get one little bit on there. Sorry if you can't see this too well. Screwdriver on the other side and lever it on. Have it in that kind of slanty way. Find out will still go on. And then just clip down. There we go.
Brilliant.
So I've made a paint mark on where the original one was in the bonnet. Screw it into the same amount. And in theory, we should be good. One more in line with where it needs to be. And it's in there like that. One thing I don't do is get screwed in. So obviously it's going to need to come off here, but there's a disconnection point up there, so I'm going to do that first. So can you see that? Let's get that off. Okay, that's all good. ECT, what size is this? Also 13. Those are not. Okay, that's interesting. None in there. Some in that side. Not much though. Well, we'll get the oil cooler back on, then I will go and look to see if there are O-ring parts that we can find. Right. Okay, so have everything tiger sealed up, clamped in place. That now needs to sit for 24 hours to cure. That should be nice and solid. Pretty factory, pretty happy with that. Next job is power steering fluid. I think you'll agree. The power steering fluid's supposed to be green. This is not that. So we'll get some fresh power steering fluid in, and then we'll do some left right, and that apparently will flush it through.
How much does that syringe hold?
Slightly less than a gnat's fart. Well, that was a good one, wasn't it? Oh, I'm proud of that. Oh no, I'm taking it back up out the jar. Well, that's looking a bit better.
Oh, that looks a lot greener now.
So what we'll do is we'll pull this out.
Yeah.
And then we'll just top it up until it's happy.
How do you know when it's happy?
Again, I'll show you on the stick. It doesn't smile at you or anything. I'll give a chuckle.
Then you put the engine on and turn the wheels again. Yeah.
I reckon that's about bang on, don't you? Somewhere between the two, maybe a touch more. That's it for another video. If you've made it this far to the end, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Lots of positive progress this week. Now got pretty much all of the parts we need to repair the car. Got the bonnet on, got the oil cooler on, although there's still parts to be fitted to that to secure it. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Onwards and upwards. See you on the next one.